Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make Telegram stickers with your photos. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you want to add new stickers to your Telegram with your photos or add regular stickers, then watch the video to the end and you will learn how to do it. So first of all, go to the gallery and select the photo we need. Then long press your finger on the object you want to select and click copy. Then go to Telegram and open the chat we need, then paste the copied picture, and as you can see, a new sticker has turned out. That's how simple it is. If you do not have such a function in your phone, then just click on the stickers, then click on this plus and select a photo from the gallery. As you can see, you can add part of the photo or carefully remove unnecessary frames, and you will also get a new sticker. Alternatively, click here and select existing stickers. That's how easy it is. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.